Alright guys, so what you do is you put the bracket in here, little clamps in here, you get it pre-ready. Now we're going to go ahead and connect the rest of the light. Screw in the two hole brackets right there. Once you do that, then screw in two bolts or two screws right into the side here. And this is what it looks like. Due to the license plate, we cannot show from a wider angle, but you guys can see what it looks like. This is with the headlights on. Here's with the brake light on. So that's what it looks like. Plenty of brightness. We can probably try if we just block our plate here from a further angle.